everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing easy and simple mango cake. So here are the ingredients. Here I have taken 200 grams of wheat flour, powdered sugar, baking soda, 1 mango, pinch of salt, baking powder, vanilla sugar, mango juice, beater, 100 grams of sugar, normal sugar, a mixing bowl and the oil. This cake I am going to prepare in the microwave. So here I have taken this microwave safe bowl and some cake sprinkles. This is totally optional. So let's start with the recipe now. In a mixing bowl, I am adding sugar, oil. I will be taking half cup of oil and start beating. I will be beating this sugar and oil for 3 to 4 minutes. So it's been 4 to 5 minutes now. So now I am adding little by little mango juice into it and wait for again 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes now. Here you see this mixture is looking like a paste. This is the perfect consistency. So now I'm adding little more juice. I'm done beating now. So this is how it's looking now. Now I'm adding wheat flour. Add slowly, little by little. Mix it. So now I'm adding rest of the flour. And rest of the juice. Mix it well, slowly. So I'm done mixing the batter. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a half tablespoon of baking soda. Pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, or you can take a little more also. Mix it well. After adding baking soda and the baking powder, do not over mix it. This is the right way to mixing the batter. So this is ready to go in the microwave now. I'll be putting this in a microwave for 6 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, I will be peeling the mango and cut into slices. So the cake is out from the microwave now. Looks so perfect, fluffy and moist, and risen up really well. So let this cake cool down completely. Later we will be decorating the cake. So I have cut the mangoes into slices. So I took off this cake. Now I will be dusting all the cake with the powdered sugar. So the dusting is done. Now I will be decorating this cake with the mango slices. This is a really delicate job. So I will be decorating the cake with some cake sprinkles. This is totally optional. So enjoy this eggless mango cake with your friends and family. Try this recipe and comment down below.